So the exercise is very easy. The answers I will share to you in your group in the afternoon. You have to just, in the last time how you have written like keywords, notes also today I am going to share. You don't have to share. Write the summary from the textbook. The another notes I will provide to you in the group. That notes you have to write. After that the exercise, the 1 marks question I will share to you tomorrow, because this much work in a one day is impossible. So exercise, if you are having your textbook, please open that one. So name the major nutrients in our food. So just now in the previous class, first period of this class, we have seen that what are the different components of the food. That is, the major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates. You don't have to write everything. I will share to you in your WhatsApp group. Don't write it now. You just go through your textbook. Which question we are attending now? The carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, and water. So these are the major nutrients that should be there in your daily diet or in the food. So the answer of the first question is like that: the major nutrients of our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, dietary fibers, water, like that. So this much answer is essential, necessary. That much is enough. Okay. Next one, name the question number 2. Name the following. Now the sentence is given to you. According to that one, you have to just name. You have to give the name of that particular nutrient or any whatever it is. Question number 2. Name the following means you have to just name. The sentence is not necessary in that one. So first one, question number 2. Name the following. So just read this one. If you are having, or maybe all are having the textbook, please go through the question number 2. Name the following. The nutrient which mainly give energy to your body. The nutrient which will give the more energy to your body. Which one is there? Guess which one may be. Which nutrient will give energy to your body? By eating that nutrient food, you will get the energy. Your body will get the energy. Which type of food will give the energy? If you are going to read the lesson, you will come to know. That is, the carbohydrate will give the energy to your food. Carbohydrate rich food. Protein will also give, but it will little bit harder for the digestion. So carbohydrate will give, fats will also give energy. Everybody will. Protein is nothing but they are the body building food. Fats will also give the energy, but that will give more and more. That much will not require. The nutrient B1, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. Just now I told, which will maintain our body, which will grow our body, which nutrient is essential, which nutrient is important, which component we have to give to grow our body in a proper way. That is protein. Decline. Oh, vitamin. Now third one, The answers are very much easy. Just you have to glance. If you have gone through your textbook, it is very easy to identify the answers. Okay. The vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. If you want your eyes should be very bright, very good, which vitamins or which vitamins you have to eat? That is, which vitamin or vitamin is necessary? The list is there. Which vitamins are there? A, B, C, D, E, like that. Which one is essential for the good eyes? Already we have seen. Go through this chart, you will come to know which vitamin you have to eat. That is vitamin A. By eating the papaya, carrot, spinach, like that, it will give you the enrich your body with a vitamin A. Now, question number D. The mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. If you want your bones should be more healthy, which mineral we have to eat in a proper way? Yes. Some of your friends who are sitting there, they are giving the good answers. That is, the answer is nothing but it is a calcium. Calcium rich food should be eaten daily to make your or to keep your bones strong. That's why see here, the people who are not eating, not drinking the milk or milk products like butter, ghee, buttermilk, everything. If they don't like the milk, then in the next coming future, they have to suffer by their bones. Their bones become so much weak that they can't walk, they can't run, they can't do any physical activities, they can't hold anything. Their bones will be disturbed or get destroyed if the calcium is not there. So these are the ones here. However, I am going to share in your group, same as like that you have to write in your notebook. The questions are there with answers. I am going to share. So please don't make the spelling mistakes. Next one, question number 3. Question number 3 is there. Name 2 foods each rich in. Now, if you want, can you see this one? Name 2 foods. Means which foods are enriched with that one. That is, first one, fats. If you want your body should be enriched with fats, which 2 food you have to eat? See here, everything is there in your textbook, just you have to glance or you have to focus on the lesson which is there. Which 2 foods you have to eat to get your body fat rich? That is ghee, oil, then milk, egg, like that. So that will make, these food will make, any 2 you have to write here. I have written here 4. Out of that any 2 you can write in your notebook. Okay. See, next one, starch. Starch is nothing but it is a carbohydrate. Which 2 food you have to eat to make your body starch enriched or carbohydrate enriched? That is 2 food that is essential, that will give the starch to your body. That is rice, wheat, potato, okay, sweet potato. So the list is endless. You can write any 2 out of that. Next one is a dietary fibers. Which food will give you the dietary fiber? That is, now all type of green leafy vegetables, or you can see that one, vegetables like sprouted seeds and like then all type of fruits, but that fruits should be fresh. Okay, that should not be before 1 week or like that. Fresh fruits, which one is grown freshly and brought from the market fresh, that is fresh fruit should be eaten. That will give the dietary fibers to your body. You can see that one. Some green leafy vegetables at that day when you bring, they was so fresh, isn't it? They are looking so green. After 1 day, 2 day, you can see that one. The nutritional values in that one, they becomes destroyed. The leaves become yellow. Once the leaves of the green leafy vegetables become yellow, means the nutritional value ends. That will spoil. You have to throw that one. So that's why the fresh vegetables and fresh fruits should be eaten to get the dietary fibers to your body. Next one is very easy, that is protein. Which food will give the protein? Protein rich food you have to eat. Again, milk. Milk is there. Again, egg is there. Cheese, butter. So these food will provide you the protein to your body in a good way. So anything out of this, if any one food you are daily eating, out of that means your body will get all the nutrients in a proper way to your body. Now the sentence writing is very much complicated, so just I will read. You have to tell me either this one is correct or not correct. Okay. So question number 4. Tick. Write the statement that are correct. Means which statement are right, you have to make the right mark. Which sentences are wrong or not correct, you have to make it wrong, like that. Okay. In the bracket, after the completion of the sentence, one bracket is given. In that bracket only, not in the initial, before starting the sentence you have to make tick mark anywhere. The bracket is there. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. Means by eating the rice, your nutritional, what is the requirement of your body will be fulfilled. Means rice is a balanced diet. Only rice is balanced diet? No. Rice will give only your carbohydrates. Okay. Means only carbohydrate will be given to your body. Remaining nutrients you will not get. So that statement is correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Correct. Incorrect. Okay. So means that is not enough. Rice is not enough to prepare your body for the growth. All nutritional should be there. So the first statement is incorrect or wrong. Next one, deficiency diseases. We know, yesterday we have seen what do you mean by deficiency diseases. The disorders or diseases happen because of the deficiency of vitamins, minerals, fats, carbohydrates, which will come. That is called as the deficiency diseases. Can be prevented. Prevented means avoid by eating a balanced diet. If you are going to eat the balanced diet, the deficiency diseases will not come to you. Means this sentence is correct or incorrect? Correct. Because by eating balanced diet only you can avoid these diseases. The another way of any source is not there to avoid this. Next one. So second sentence is right one or correct one. The balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food items. Balanced diet means variety of items are there, not only one type of food. Is there? Means variety of items, food items you have to eat to get your body balanced diet. So the third sentence is also correct. D1, meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to your body. Only meat. Do you know the people who are the non-veg who are eating, they are eating meat. That meat is enough for our body to give all the nutrients? No, it will only provide the proteins or fats to your body. Remaining nutritional values your body will not get. So only meat is not enough for our body. So the sentence is wrong or incorrect. These symbols you have to put in the bracket after the sentence gets completed. Now the question number 4 is nothing but it is a fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So question number 5. Fill in the blanks. So sentence I will read. Which one is the word which is empty, or the you have to fill that one. That only I will write on the board. First one. Dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. If your body don't have the vitamin D, which disease will be caused because of the deficiency of vitamin D to your body? The list is already here on the page. You have to just check it. If vitamin D is not there in a proper way to your body, which disease will cause? Which disorder will cause? That is, you can see here, the name is already mentioned here. That is rickets. Rickets is caused because of the deficiency of vitamin D. Now, B1, sentence B, deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. Where is the disease beriberi is there? Here. So it is happened because of deficiency of which vitamin? Vitamin B. So this beriberi is caused because of the deficiency of vitamin B. Now sentence C, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as, if vitamin C is not there to your body in a proper way, which disease will be caused? That is, here the list is there. That is scurvy. What it is called? Scurvy. And the last one, night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. If which vitamin is not there to your body, which will cause the night blindness to your body? That is nothing but the list started with that vitamin only. That is vitamin A. So in this way we have discussed the exercise here. This exercise questions are not enough. Tomorrow in the next class I will provide you the extra questions to write. Okay, up to that today you have to write the keywords from your lesson, and I will provide you the notes, and I will provide you the exercise also to your body. So that one you have to write in your